TERA, the acronym for Toxic Exposure Risk Activity, opens the door for the VA to consider disability claims by veterans who had everyday exposure to toxic substances which caused them to suffer a disease or impairment. Service members are regularly exposed to lots of toxic materials. Some toxic exposure is conceded as a presumptive condition. This means that veterans who served in specific areas at specific times and have been diagnosed one or more certain medical impairments do not need to prove service connection to qualify for VA disability benefits. This means they do not need the usual amount of evidence to file a disability claim. TERA, which is associated with the 2022 PACT Act, allows service members to file non-presumptive claims for exposure to toxins related to their military occupational specialties. These toxins include oils, fuels, lead, exhaust fumes, asbestos, firefighting foam, and even noise, to name a few. It's believed that TERA will open the door to benefits for tens of thousands of veterans disabled by exposure to toxins who were previously passed over. While almost every veteran has been exposed to some form of toxic materials, but except for presumptive conditions, you must be able to connect your condition to your time in the military. That is, to be eligible for VA disability benefits, a veteran must be suffering from some disease or impairment which was caused or made worse by their time in the service. TERA claims cannot be physical traumas, and they cannot be mental disorders. Here's how the TERA process works. You start by submitting a claim for a non-presumptive condition which you believe was caused by exposure to one or more toxic substances. Your Veterans Service representative will review your file and make an initial determination whether to conduct a TERA investigation. The VSR will review your medical records, service records, and C-file and use other tools to complete the TERA investigation. Once a decision is made, the VSR will issue a TERA opinion. If in this written opinion, toxic exposure risk activity is established, then the VSR will order a TERA examination. A TERA medical exam is a specialty C&P exam. Claims processors must explicitly and implicitly review for TERA claims. Once the examination is complete, your claim will go to a rater to rate and finalize the claim. Advocates for veterans have raised concerns about how the VA is handling the flood of new claims under the PACT Act. The complexity of claims processing due to TERA has increased dramatically over a short period of time, but the amount of time allotted to each claim has remained the same. And VA claims examiners are all new at the required toxic exposure medical opinions. If you have a medical condition that you think was caused or made worse by your time in the service, especially if you're exposed to any toxic substance, you may qualify for disability benefits you deserve. Now, more than ever, with the influx of disability claims, you need the expertise of an accredited VA disability attorney. The attorneys at Cuddigan Law are here to fight for your rights. Contact us today for a free evaluation of your situation.